welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. This is Paula. It's time for another giveaway. Lunasa or Lammas is right around the corner for August 1st, 2020. So this time what I am doing is giving away a copy of this. This is Holland's Grimoire of Magical Correspondences. It's by Holland. You can see how well loved mine is. It's got all kinds of tabs and all that kind of stuff in it. This is another book of correspondences that are one of my go-to reference books in my library. So the rules are going to be, you must be 18 years or older. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You need to leave a comment down on this video. You can comment anything that you want on this video and it will count as an entry. You get one entry per username. All right. So it is open internationally. What I will end up doing is placing an order on Amazon and having the book shipped directly to you. If you are the winner and are in a country that I can't ship to by Amazon, then I will purchase the book and ship it to you. I will pay the shipping. You will have to pay any kind of customs or duties or fees that your country requires. This contest is void where it is prohibited. So if your country doesn't allow for things like this, then I'm sorry, you can't enter it. You have to, if you are the winner, you need to claim the prize within 7 days of me putting up the winner announcement video. I will do the winner announcement video on July 15th at noon Eastern Daylight Savings Time in the U.S. Okay, so that's July 15th, noon Eastern Daylight Saving Time, U.S. That's when I will do the drawing. The video usually gets posted within about an hour of that because I've got to edit it and upload it to YouTube. So there you have it. That's going to be the rules. Those are the rules. Here is your prize. You know, my well-loved and beat up. This one's probably about 13 or 14 years old. It's one of my OG books. So with that, my friends, as I always say, merry we did meet, merry we will part until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.